Did you know there is one organ in your body that can literally regrow itself? Some people believe it's a myth, but the truth is far more shocking. Your liver has a superpower no other organ fully has. When the liver gets damaged, injured, infected, or even partially removed, something incredible starts happening. Instead of shutting down, the liver activates a biological self-repair mode, and slowly, cell by cell, it starts rebuilding itself. This isn't fiction. This is real science. Doctors have confirmed even if 70% of the liver is removed, the remaining part can grow back to its original size, not by creating new pieces but by enlarging existing cells, until the liver becomes whole again. It's like the liver refuses to give up, because every day it has to filter your blood, remove toxins, process food, and protect your entire body from chemical damage. So at night and during rest, your liver repairs damage caused by junk food, stress, alcohol, smoking, medications, and infections. But here's the twist. Yes, the liver can regrow, but it cannot survive constant abuse. Because regeneration takes time. If you keep damaging it faster, then it can heal. The liver begins to scar. This scar is called fibrosis. If that continues, it becomes cirrhosis. And once that happens, there is no turning back, no regeneration, no healing, only decline. That's why people who respect their liver live longer, stronger, healthier lives. Because regeneration is not magic, it is protection. So the truth is, the liver can regrow itself, but only if you give it the chance. Protect the liver, and the liver will protect you.